Katie here. So today I have another Ana Luisa haul for you guys. I also have a 20% discount code, so if you guys would like to check out some really cute, really affordable pieces for the holidays, you can use my code. I will have it right here as well as in the description box below. You can use my code. You can shop through my link to get any goodies for yourself, for your friends, your family this holiday season. I personally love Ana Luisa. I also love getting them for my mom. I have so many Ana Luisa pieces to show you guys. So I already showed you guys these earrings, these ones in the middle. I showed these to you guys last time that I posted. I also have these. I haven't worn these for you guys yet, but these are really cute. These are called the Papillon. I also have this really cute necklace. I don't know if this is still available online, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the new pieces that I have gotten in this haul. So first, I'm gonna start out with this N necklace. This is just like a gold N initial necklace. You can do literally any initial that you would like. I chose N because I am pregnant. I'm about to pop a baby out and I named my baby Noah. So I'm obsessed with this necklace. It is so cute. And I just love how like minimal and cute it is. I don't think I've ever gotten like an initial necklace for anybody before. So this necklace is really special to me and I'm just so excited that I finally have it and I can finally wear it. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. I think it's so cute and I love how I can just like layer it with other pieces like this piece right here. And yeah. Okay, next we have this beautiful gold ring. It's just like a really delicate gold band with diamantes all around. This is called the Eternity ring. I got this in a size 5 because I wanted to wear it on my wedding finger. I do not have a engagement ring. I do have a wedding ring. I wear it on special occasions. I'm just not really like a wear rings every day type of person. But I thought this would look really cute on my ring finger as well as with my wedding ring. Even though my wedding ring is silver, I'll probably still wear these together. So I'm excited to see how they'll look. I'm sure it'll look really cute. That is really pretty, oh my god. And it fits perfectly. I was like, I don't know what size I should get, but I do have like kind of small fingers. So the size 5 fits perfectly. Oh my god. It is so cute. I love it. How freaking cute, you guys. Okay, last but not least, I have another necklace. So this is called the Julie Cho necklace. So this is basically like another choker. It just looks like this. And it has a little gold flower with a pearl on the inside. So it's like a pearl choker with a gold pearl. Let me take off this wrapping so I can properly show you guys. Honestly, I got this because it looks really different than anything that I have, and there we go. It's just really pretty, really different from anything that I've ever gotten on Ana Luisa's website. If you can hear voices, my family's here. So yes. But yeah, those are all the pieces. So definitely check out Ana Luisa for this holiday season, and don't forget to use my discount code. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump straight into the get ready with me. So first I'm starting out with the Rare Beauty foundation. I did pick up a lighter shade for these colder winter months. Plus I haven't really been fake tanning lately. And next I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer in the shade Marshmallow. Next I'm going in with another Huda Beauty concealer. I use this shade to contour, and all of the products will be listed in my description box as well. So I really love to use this concealer to really sculpt my face. I've been loving to do a nose contour lately as well. Next I'm going in with the Merit Beauty blush. It's a really pretty shade for the colder months. And then after that I go in with my Ilia translucent loose powder. Next, I am setting the perimeter of my face with the CoverGirl powder. I am going in with the MAC Fix, what is this? The MAC Paint Pot in the shade Ochre. The shade is so good for like an eyeshadow base. I really just love it because it evens out your eyelids, and I just think it makes a really nice eyeshadow base. Next I'm going in with the Crown eyeshadow palette, and I'm just using this matte light shade all over my lids to set that paint pot. Next I'm going in with like a nude brownie shade, and that's going to be my transition color. I just really love neutral eyeshadow looks, so that's just what I wanted to go for this look. I'm also using a Sigma E40 brush for the transition shade. And next I just went in with a shimmery color, like almost like a cranberry shimmery color, and I just focused that on my eyelids. After wiping away that powder, I just went in with the Fenty Beauty eyeliner in the shade In Big Truffle. This has honestly been my go-to liquid liner for years now. I like this one because it's a brown color. It's really, really pretty for fall and winter time. Also, if you just like don't want to go in with a black. And next I am taking the Tarte eye pencil in Sex Kitten, and this is just a black eyeliner. I love to put this in my waterline, and I really love how it looked. Next I'm going in with the IL Makiage mascara. Depending on how I feel like most of the time I just put mascara on the bottom lashes because I do have lash extensions, and this wand is so precise, so I love using it for my bottom lashes. Next, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty highlighter. This highlighter is just a beautiful golden loose highlighter, and it also smells really good too. After that, I am doing brows. I'm just going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills dipbrow pomade in the shade Taupe. I do have black hair, and this is quite a light shade, but I do like this color on me because it's not too harsh. I find that if I use a brow color that's too harsh, it just looks really, really off, and it's just too much for me. And after that, I went in with the brow powder duo in the shade Granite, and I used the lighter color to kind of focus on the tails of my brows and kind of just mesh everything together. Next, I'm going in with the freckle pen. This is also one of my holy grail products. I've been using this product for years, and it always does the trick. Today, I decided to kind of just go over my natural freckles. Sometimes I like to customize it and make, I don't know, just have fun with it and like make new freckles, but depending on how I feel, I'll either do that or go over my natural freckles. I love how going over my natural freckles looks because it's just like a really unique look, I guess. And for lip liner, I went in with the NYX lip liner in the shade Nutmeg. This is a really pretty shade. If you don't want to go too dark, I do like dark browns, but this is just like a really perfect shade. And after that, I went in with the Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Bear. I really love this lipstick because it's matte, but it's not too drying on my lips. And I always love to take a fat eyeshadow brush and buff out the lipstick. To set everything in place, I am using the iconic London setting spray, and yeah, that's it for the final look. So guys, that is it for my get ready with me. I honestly love how this look turned out. It is so pretty. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Also, don't forget to check out Ana Luisa for the holidays and use my discount code, which I will have right here, as well as in the description box. I hope you guys have a really fun, amazing, safe holiday season. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!